All right, so it's perfect timing for us to talk about home ownership because yesterday we had a marathon of a budget hearing on housing just yesterday. So today, my focus, my intention, my words are still surrounded by what it was surrounded by yesterday, which is Black home ownership. And I know I don't have to say this to you all, but Black home ownership has been declining for decades, amen? And so we here in New York State, we have the Homeowner Protection Program, which is, we label it as HOP. And what it does is it provides assistance for applying for loans or loan modification, direct representation in court, and home ownership counseling. All of this to keep people in their homes or help people get a home for the first time. And we as the caucus, we are asking, we are requesting, we are demanding, we are advocating for $35 million over 3 years for this program. We are clear home ownership is one way to generational wealth. And therefore we have to fight to keep our Black families in their homes, or help our Black families get a home for the first time. Thank you.